Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Jasper in his Christmas sweater. Grab your marker and follow along with me. So first we're going to start with the two eyes. So I'm going to draw the bottom part of the eye, and then we're just going to make it nice and round here on the top. Then inside the eyes, as usual, we're going to draw two pupils with the light reflections, of course. And then the irises. Now right above the eyes, again the eyebrows, we're just going to draw the bottom part of the eyebrow and then the top part. And then right between the eyes, a button nose, and right below that a little smile. Great. And now from the side, we're just going to draw this jawline. Good, and let's just extend the little head above there. And then let's color the pupils in. And now we're going to start with the hair. So I'm just going to make a little hook. I'm going to make another one, two like this. And then from here, we're just going to make a line back. And let's continue the head right there on the side. Good, and now for the ear. So we're going to draw a little ear on this side. And let's do it the same on the other side. Little ear. And now for the hair. Here on top, I'm just going to make a few pieces of hair standing up. And I'm just going to complete the head like this. And on this side, I'm just going to make it nice and round and bring it back to this hair. Now we can start with the body. First up, I'm going to draw the shoulders. And I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to stop right there. Around about here, I'm just going to draw this torso. And a little shirt sticking outside, because this is the jersey that we just drawn. And now from here, I'm just going to continue with that arm. I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to connect it there as well. From here, I'm just going to draw the collar, and you're going to draw a sort of a V shape on both sides. There we go. And then you're going to draw some lightning strikes, lightning bolts on his sweater. And now we can draw some stripes on the sweater. Now we can go downwards and we can draw the pants. So I'm just going to draw a skew line going down for the pants. And then on this side, I'm going to start drawing pockets. So I'll draw a pocket on this side. I'm going to do it on the other side as well. And right below that, I'm going to draw two boxes. So here's a box, and then right below that, you're going to draw another box. And then you're just going to connect the lines like this. There we go. And then on the inside, this is the inside leg, and there's the pants. Now we can go back to the hands of Jasper. We can do two hands there. And now we can do the calves. And I'm going to draw the calf on both sides. And from here, we're going to start drawing the shoes. I'm going to draw a lip first, and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. And then I'm going to draw the sides of the shoe. And let's do it on this side as well. And then we're just going to bring the shoe in like this. And now for the tips of the shoe. So I'm going to make it nice and round. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, nice and round. Perfect. And now we can draw the wings. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a top wing, and right below that I'm going to draw a bottom wing, and within this wing we're going to have a lightning bolt. And then on this side let's do the same thing as well. And then we can draw the bottom. And then a lightning bolt. And there we go, and there's Jasper. Now you can take a look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure Jasper will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.